Today we're going to introduce what is included in your 10X seat mounting. You will have the seat bracket itself, together with the seat pole and the saddle, which is already mounted on for you. Okay. We're also going to introduce you the add-ons, the child seat, and the bracket that allows you to mount the child seat onto your 10X seat pole. Okay, what you will need will be the 28.6mm to 31.8mm shim. Slot it into your kid child seat. This is to adjust the height for the footrest. And make sure you tighten it. Tighten everything. And yeah, the seat is ready to go. So for this one, you will notice that you have enough space for the rider to stand on while riding with the child seat on.